According to Mariel, Gladys is the most beautiful creature slash blackmate, Yali, in Saints Po.
Happy birthday! Siyempre, thank you sa friendship. Pwede ka na mag-boyfriend. Boyfriend agad. Studies muna. And siyempre, nandito lang kami parate sa'yo. Especially sa accounting nga. Tapos ayun, I wish you all the best things. And God bless.
Thank you. Next is Miss Erica Teruna. Erica is Mariel's blackmate in BS Accountancy. They love to study with their friends and share stories that makes them laugh together.
Hi Mariel, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Stay humble and pretty as you are. Pwede na tayo mag-happy Thursday. Thank you sa lahat. Andito lang muli palagi para sa iyo. Friends forever. Sabay-sabay tayo graduate ng backnet. I love you and ingat palagi. God bless.
Next is Miss Colleen J. Magalyon. Colleen is also Mariel's blackmate at St. Scott College.
First of all, happy birthday. Nalitagal na naman na isang taon ng buhay ko. Ayun, ang wish ko lang naman is matupad mo yung wish mo. Lalo na yung goal mong pumayat. Yan yung kailangan eh. Alam mo yung pagkasa tayo, long table. Uy, tingnan mo ba? Pwede na ba ako? Yung mga ganyan natin. Yan lang. Mag-ingat ka palagi. And yung magiging rin tayo. Makagraduate din tayo. Love you.
Next is Miss Kathleen and Lisena. Miss Kathleen is one of Mariel's close friends in high school, and Mariel used to call her ate. They used to have a group which consists of our debutant, Kathleen, Clarice, Bianca, Sophia, and Joyce, and it was called Desperados.
I wish you all the best. Salamat sa friendship. Salamat sa pagpapatulong sa akin at meron. And sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Makakagraduate ka na rin. And yun na. Sana happy birthday.
Okay, next is Miss Clarice Joy Marielor. Si Clarice ang unang naging kaibigan ni Mariel noong first day of school niya sa Blessed Helena Academy. And until then, they become close friends. They used to do crazy random stuff. Next is Miss Diana Gale Santos.
Happy birthday, Mark.
Thank you. Next is Miss Dana May Guerrero. Miss Dana is Mariel's older cousin.
Happy 18th birthday, Maria. Wish ko sa'yo, sana matupad lahat ng dreams mo, tapos be a good girl always. And sana, sana lahat ng gusto mong marating sa buhay mo. And always be happy birthday.
Miss Hannah Talentale. Miss Hannah is Mariel's neighbor, and she's the one who taught her about the ways to sing Scholastic.
You smile so warm.
Hi, Mariel. Happy birthday. It is kind of like your way. Since now you're entering an important stage of people's life. A lot of things will happen soon, which will require decisions. And be a leader with your time. You'll make good decisions in some time. I wish you a brighter future and to your journey and your last. Have a great day.
Next is Miss Jelaika Desales. Si Jelaika isa sa mga nakilala ni Mariel sa make-up ng isang sikat na author sa Wattpad. Silang dalawa ay parehong miyembro ng grupo na tawag na LG